I am just here for a simple oil change today.
We found several major problems with your engine.
My car was running perfectly fine this morning.
The entire transmission system is dangerously close to failing.
How much will this unexpected repair job cost me?
It will be around $2,000 today.
That is a massive amount of money.
You cannot drive this unsafe car anymore.
I need a moment to think about this.
We must start the repair work immediately.
I want to see this major damage myself.
Customers are not allowed in the garage area.
I am not paying for invisible broken parts.
Our mechanics are certified and extremely highly trained.
Then show me exactly where the leak is.
It is buried deep under the engine block.
Put my car on the lift right now.
That will take a lot of extra time.
I will gladly wait to see the proof.
We are very busy with other customers today.
I will not approve anything without visual confirmation.
Fine. Follow me into the back workspace.
Point your flashlight at the damaged metal pipe.
The leak is quite small right now.
So it is not a dangerous emergency anymore.
It could become worse in the future.
Do not trust blind diagnosis. The phrase, "show me exactly where the leak is your strongest defense. Shady mechanics rely on your fear and lack of mechanical knowledge. Forcing them to physically point out the damage ruins their scam. Demand visual confirmation. Saying, "I am not paying for invisible broken parts," shows absolute authority. If they refuse to show you the problem, grab your keys. It is your absolute right to see what you are paying for.
I will not authorize any major engine repairs today.
You are making a terrible mistake for your safety.
I will definitely get a second opinion first.
Other mechanic shops will charge you much more.
That is a risk I am willing to take.
We can offer a 10% discount today.
No, I am taking my car back home.
The engine might break down on the highway.
I will call a tow truck if that happens.
You are being very stubborn about this.
I am just being a smart customer today.
We already started draining your transmission fluid.
I did not sign any paperwork for that.
It was part of the inspection process.
Put everything back exactly how you found it.
This is extremely frustrating for us.
Escape the fear trap. The phrase, "I will get a second opinion," instantly stops aggressive sales tactics. Mechanics use fear to make you spend thousands of dollars quickly. Stepping away gives you the power to find an honest quote. Protect your property. When you command them to put everything back exactly how you found it, you take charge. Never let a shop trap your car by taking it apart. Remember, without your signature, they cannot legally touch your vehicle.
Give me a fully itemized written estimate for these repairs.
That requires an hour of detailed diagnostic testing.
I will not pay for tests I never approved.
We cannot release it without a safety check.
Hand over my keys or I will call the police.
There is no need to overreact to our procedures.
Do not touch the engine without my clear written approval.
We will park your vehicle right outside the garage doors.
Make sure nothing is missing or damaged when I check.
You are making a huge mistake leaving our professional shop.
I prefer doing business with honest mechanics who show proof.
We will email the final estimate to you by tomorrow.
I will review it carefully with my own personal mechanic.
You can pick up your keys at the desk.
Force them to write it down. The phrase, fully itemized written estimate, is your legal shield. Shady mechanics love to give verbal quotes so they can add hidden fees later. Getting it on paper locks in the exact price and protects your wallet. Establish absolute boundaries. By commanding, "Do not touch the engine without my approval," you freeze their actions. Never let a shop trap your vehicle by taking it apart early. You are the boss, and your signature is the law.
We must start the repair work immediately.
I want to see the damage myself.
Customers are not allowed in the garage.
Show me exactly where the leak is.
You are making a terrible safety mistake.
I will definitely get a second opinion.
The engine might break down very soon.
I will not authorize any major repairs.
We already started draining the transmission fluid.
Put everything back how you found it.
We cannot legally release this dangerous car.
Do not touch without my written approval.
You are overreacting to our standard procedures.
Give me a fully itemized written estimate.
We will park your vehicle right outside.
Hand over my keys right now, please.
You've successfully survived the shady mechanic. Let's review the survival codes from this lesson to protect your car and your wallet. Vocabulary. Master the phrase, fully itemized written estimate. It forces the shop to legally document every single charge before they touch your car. Never accept verbal quotes. Idioms and phrasal verbs. Use second opinion to shut down fear-based sales tactics. If they say your car is dangerously close to failing, just grab your keys and verify it somewhere else. Grammar point. The power of imperative verbs. Saying, "Do not touch the engine," or "Put everything back" establishes you as the boss. You are giving commands, not asking for permission. Your vehicle is your property. Protect it with these powerful legal phrases. Before we end, here is your ultimate takeaway for today's lesson. Surviving an auto repair shop is all about rejecting fear and demanding proof. Remember this golden rule. You hold the keys, you hold the power. When you demand a second opinion and a written estimate, you strip away their ability to scam you. Stay calm, give firm commands, and never let them touch your engine without your signature. If you are committed to making this 15-minute plan a part of your life, show your energy by smashing that like button. Be a hero for a friend by sharing this video with someone you know is too busy to study. And to lock in your commitment to this challenge, subscribe and smash that notification bell. See you in the next episode of Grow English Mastery.